Hello everyone, thank you for joining me once again today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training that is being done in Germany, that is the Ausbildung. If you don't know what to do, you have a lot of options here. It's a good channel for you. It's educative and informative. If you have further questions, always feel free to contact us. For someone who doesn't understand the language, kindly share with them. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. In today's discussion, I'll be talking about the eighth career path under the second area of specialization. That is METALLBAUER and the FACHRICHTUng NUTZFAHRZEUGBau. That is metal worker in the specialization of commercial vehicle construction. The duration is 3 years and 5 months. It's also a recognized training occupation. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. What is their job description? What they do? They provide vehicle frames, chassis, and superstructures for commercial vehicles and machines that are used, for example, in assembly lines, freight forwarding, or in agricultural and forestry companies. They produce components from steel or non-ferrous metal sheets and profiles. They tear the metal, they cut metal, they shape metals, and they forge it. They weld, rivet, or screw the individual components together, and they fabricate the prefabricated parts and systems. They are being incorporated together. Where do they find employment? They find employment in motor vehicle or mechanical engineering companies. Do you need a certificate? You need your Hauptschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife. If you have other certificates as well, you're admitted into this. And if you don't have a certificate, the chances are 3% is being admitted. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The ninth career path is the Schiffs Technischer Assistent, and that is a ship operating assistant. The duration is 2 years, and it's a Berufsfachschulberuf. It's a vocational training occupation. Nautical, what do they do? Nautical watch officers assist with navigation and ensure the operational readiness of the technical equipment on the bridge for a ship. They are also responsible for the smooth running of machine operations. They share the responsibility for loading and unloading operations and securing the cargo on board. In the engine room, they monitor, for example, check the engine system, and when they are in the large deep sea, they work on bridges as well. They navigate the ship and monitor the sea space. They monitor maritime radio traffic and compliance with safety regulations. It is a technical school training. And where do they find employment? They find employment in maritime and coastal shipping companies. That is on cargo shipping companies. Any cargo shipping companies, they find employment there. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. That's your Bildungsabschluss. That's your general education. That is your living school education. Anything less than this, you will not be admitted. That is after grade 10. If a certificate that is after grade 10. So anything less than this, you won't be admitted into this career path. But if you have something higher than this or equivalent of this certificate, then you are going to be accepted into this vocational training. There are other things needed. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The 10th area career under the second area of specialization is Schiffsmechaniker, that is a ship mechanic. The duration is 3 years, and this and the training is Ausbildungsberuf in the Seeschifffahrt. It's apprenticeship in maritime shipping. The duration is 3 years. What do? They perform security duties on the command center and in the engine room. They operate the loading facilities and the facilities for untying and mooring the ship. And they make sure that they also monitor the safe stowage of the cargo. They control, install the safety devices on board, and keep them operational. Where do they find employment? They find employment with shipping companies in all areas of coastal and maritime shipping, in port operations, at tugboats, at salvage shipping companies as well. Do you need a certificate? You need your METALLBAUER. That's the Voraussetzung. That's the entry requirement if you want to go into this vocational training. If you have anything higher than that, you are accepted. If you have something lower than that, you are not accepted into this career path. And don't forget, it's an apprenticeship in maritime shipping. The duration is 3 years. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't give up on your careers. If you love anything that has to do with shipping, look into this career and get back to us if you need further information. Don't forget, only you can stop you.